Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a printer to make copies. First, make sure your printer is powered on and ready. Then, carefully place the document you wish to copy face down on the scanner glass. It's important to align it correctly, usually with an arrow or guide on the scanner bed. Finally, gently close the scanner lid to ensure a clear and accurate scan, preventing any unwanted light from interfering with the image. Next, locate the copy function on your printer's control panel. This is usually a dedicated button or an option on the display screen. You can then select the desired number of copies, perhaps 3 or 4, depending on your needs. Many printers also offer options to adjust the copy's lightness or darkness, or even to choose a specific paper size, like letter or A4, for your output. Once your settings are configured, simply press the Start or Copy button to initiate the process. The printer will then scan your original document, which typically takes only a few seconds. After the scan, the printer will begin printing your copies. Be sure to collect your freshly printed documents from the output tray as they emerge, ensuring they don't stack up and cause a jam. For the best results, always use clean, uncreased original documents. This significantly improves the clarity and quality of your copies. It's also a good practice to regularly clean the scanner glass with a soft, lint-free cloth to prevent smudges or streaks from appearing on your duplicated pages. Finally, always check that you have enough paper loaded and that your toner or ink levels are adequate before beginning a large copying task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.